Hello everyone. Welcome to Evolvin Tech. Hope you all are doing good. Here we are back with another video on Node.js and NPM. In this video we are going to see what is Node.js and NPM, and how to install them on your computer in simple steps. Before moving forward, I would like to request you all to like, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Now let us begin. First of all, Node is a JavaScript-based free server environment which establishes back-end server support to any site. And NPM is Node Package Manager, which is used to install and manage various packages using Node. If you want a complete tutorial series on Node.js, comment below. Now let us see how to install Node. First of all, let's go to Node.js website. Go to nodejs.org and click on this button, which will download current version of Node on your system. Now open the installer and click on the next button to continue. After completing the install, go to command prompt and type node-v, which will give the version info about the node. Similarly, type npm-v. This will give the version of NPM Manager. Now you have successfully installed the node. That's it for this video and see you next time.